Have you ever wondered how AI chatbots work? Picture a digital companion that understands you better than your best friend. That's the magic of AI chatbots. And today, we're not just talking about any chatbots. We're exploring the top 10 free AI chatbot builders that are revolutionizing the tech landscape. First in our lineup is Dialogflow, brought to you by Google. Imagine having a conversation with your smart home, only 100 times more advanced. Dialogflow integrates with Google's vast ecosystem, making it the Einstein of chatbot builders. Next, we have the IBM Watson Assistant. This chatbot is so intelligent, don't be surprised if it starts offering life advice soon. The more you chat with Watson, the smarter it gets, making it a top pick for AI enthusiasts. Meet Botpress, the perfect tool for those looking to unleash their inner chatbot designer. It's the Lego set for techies, allowing you to build your dream chatbot, one piece at a time. For those who value privacy above all, there's Rasa. With its customizable and secure platform, it's the James Bond of chatbots. Facebook aficionados, we've got something for you too. Wit.ai, a product of Facebook, allows for seamless integration of chatbots into your favorite social media. It's like chatting with a robot that's always up to date with the latest trends. Ever dreamed of a chatbot with a distinct personality? Pandorabots is here to turn your fantasies into reality. It's the Shakespeare of the chatbot world, creating bots with flair and personality. Introducing Flow Exo, the Swiss Army knife of chatbots. It's like having a digital assistant for virtually anything you can think of. Next up, Tars. If you're looking for a chatbot that's as visually appealing as it is smart, look no further. Tars is not just intelligent, it's also a feast for the eyes. Microsoft's Q&A maker simplifies the process of creating FAQ bots. It's like having a pocket-sized encyclopedia that knows all the answers. And last, but not least, we have BotStar. It's so user-friendly, even your grandma could create a chatbot. No offense, grandma. So, there you go, the top 10 free AI chatbot builders. Whether you're just dipping your toes into the tech world or you're a seasoned pro, these tools are your gateway to the future. So don't hold back. Give them a try and bring your digital dreams to life. And before we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the digital world.